Greetings! Today we're excited to share our Spring 2025 update featuring the gated Alta Monte and Terra collections, both located together at the top of Tesoro Highlands in Valencia of Santa Clarita. This video is presented compliments of your local real estate experts, Matt and Meray Gregory of the Gregory Real Estate Group. Currently under construction by Toll Brothers, the Alta Monte and Terra subdivisions consist of approximately 138 truly exceptional homes, some with lovely views. For those interested in single-story living, the Terra models are perfect. If you prefer a more spacious two-story layout, the Alta Monte options are sure to impress. All combined, these homes range from about 3,300 to 5,700 square feet, featuring 4 to 6 bedrooms, 4.5 to 6.5 bathrooms, and garages large enough for 3 or 4 cars. You can also expect to see more spaces such as bonus rooms, lofts, outdoor living spaces, and more. The lots are nice sized, many with large backyards, ideal for hosting gatherings. In the future, residents will have access to a well-appointed recreation area with a swimming pool, hot tub, and everything one might expect in a modern new home community. There are also miles of developed trails, all surrounded by well-maintained common areas, landscaped with drought-tolerant plants and shrubs. Keep in mind there are monthly HOA fees and an annual Mello Roos. For current listings and more information on nearby schools, local conveniences, and to learn more about the Tesoro Highlands community, visit our detailed report at GregoryRealEstateGroup.com. There, you'll also find extensive reports about other nearby Toll Brothers developments such as Skylar and Volara. If you are interested in buying a home here or in any new development, it's important to take us with you when visiting for the first time. Why? Because if you sign in at the sales office without us, we won't be able to represent you with your purchase. We know all the right questions to ask to get the answers you need to make accurate and informed decisions. As always, we appreciate sharing insights about the homes and neighborhoods we serve. Remember, with us, there's never any sales pressure whatsoever. Wishing you a fantastic day, and until next time, goodbye.